Today we'll explore Lincoln Memorial Building built in 1900. Also guys, at side tips, if you're someone who wants to make this trip more enjoyable and easier, then I advise you to rent a scooter, because again there is so much historical building and they look closer but they're very far away, and that's a lot of walking. So if you want to avoid walking, then renting a scooter, it's not a bad idea to rent the scooter, because that way, you know, it saves time and also you guys can like explore more areas. I think it's cost a minute for $1, just to have that in mind. It's a bit expensive, but what are you gonna do if you don't want to walk, or you're someone not prepared to walk? Then that's the way to go. All right guys, we made it, and this is the Memorial Building. I'm gonna sit here for a little while to rest, because that was a long 15 minutes walk. Within the building on the right hand, there is a bookstore located for some of those book lovers, and it's a nice, well organized little bookstore that you can pretty much get all sort of books here. Building lobby, again you see Lincoln statues right in the middle, and again thousands of people come every day to make pictures and just to explore the history. Again, this is the outside view, and where the memorial building is, it's right up in the hill, and from here you see pretty much the entire Washington city. Also coming, you definitely wanted to get bring a few bottles of water. You can get it here, but it's just a $2 a bottle. So, you know, like I said earlier, 1 or 2 bottles of water, because that way, because it's a long walk. And of course, renting the scooter, it's not a bad idea, I think. So, few bottles of water. And this is the perfect way to ride around here. So which apps you need to download?
You need to get the Bird app.
The Bird app, and
Yeah.
then you'll be all set, yeah?
You'll be all set.
And renting a scooter, that's just a side tips to do a tour. But they're all close to each other, but it's away from each other in a way. So if you're someone having difficulties to walk, then maybe that's the way to go with. All right, guys, so that was the memorial building tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and it was nice, and it was a perfect day to do this. And all right, so that's for now, and thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.